minus 3 by 5 and minus 12 by 20. Minus 3 by 5, it is already simplified form. It is the simplest form because both are prime numbers 3 and 5. So it remains minus 3 by 5 only. And minus 12 by 20, if I cancel, I cancel by 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. So I get is equal to minus 3 by 5. If you cannot cancel directly, you can also cancel this way. Minus 12 by 20, 2 6s are, 2 10s are, then 2 3s are and 2 5s are. Is equal to minus 3 by 5. You can also cancel this way. If you cannot cancel directly by 4. ऐसे cancel करोगे पहले 2 से, then again by 2, then also you'll get the same answer. Not necessary you have to do by 4 only directly. Did you understand? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes, ma'am.
therefore minus 3 by 5 and minus 12 by 20 are the same rational numbers. Are the same rational numbers. Fifth one, 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. 8 by minus 5 remains as it is, 8 by minus 5 only. I can multiply, I will, here numerator is for negative, no, so I will multiply by minus 1 by minus 1. So minus 8 by 5. Now minus 24 by 15, I cancel by 3. It won't be, 15 cannot be cancelled by 2 because last digit is 5. So I will try with 3. With 3 both can be cancelled. 3 8s are and 3 5s are is equal to minus 8 by 5. So we get both answers same, minus 8 by 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15 are the same rational numbers. You can also do as it is rakha, 8 by minus 5 you keep as it is. And then I cancel minus 24 by 15. 3 8s are and 3 5s are. So I get minus 8 by 5. I multiply this by minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to 8 by minus 5. So the same answer you can do this way also, you can do this way also. In fractions can be done by different methods. Your understanding is very important.
Yes.
Sixth sum, 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. One by 3 is positive and minus 1 by 9 is negative. So write one rational number is positive and the other one is negative. Therefore, they are not same. Number 7. minus 5 by minus 9 and 5 by minus 9. Minus 5 by minus 9 and 5 by minus 9. Minus 5 by minus 9, if you multiply by minus 1 by minus 1, you will get minus into minus plus, so 5 by 9. And 5 by minus 9, if you multiply by minus 1 by minus 1, you will get minus 5 by 9. One is positive, another is negative. Yes? Right. One rational number is positive and the other one is negative. Therefore, they are not same. After this, whose session you have?
Neeta ma'am.
Neeta ma'am.
Neeta ma'am. SS.
Okay. Question 7. Write the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Jasdeep, how many minutes are left?
Ma'am, 7 minutes.
Okay. Question 7. Write the following rational numbers in the simplest form. First one is minus 8 by 6. Simplest form means you have to do cancellation as much as possible. First we'll cancel by 2. 2 4s are and 2 3s are. Now further cancellation is not possible. So is equal to minus 4 by 3. Therefore, minus 4 by 3 is the simplest form of minus 8 by 6. Second one is 25 by 45.
Can you please wait for 2 minutes?
Yes. Shall I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
25 by 45. I'll cancel by 5. 5 5s are and 5 9s are. So is equal to 5 by 9. Therefore, 5 by 9 is the simplest form. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Number
ma'am.
2, minus 44 by 72. Minus 44 by 72. I'll cancel by 2 first. Because both digits, last digits are 4 and 2. So with 2 it can be divisible. So 2 2s are 2 2s are and 2 3s are 2 6s are. Again 2 is the unit digit 6. So we can cancel by 2. 2 11s are and 2 1s are 1. 2 8s are. Now further it is not possible. So is equal to minus 11 by 18 is the simplest form. Number 4. Minus 8 by 10. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So is equal to minus 4 by 5 is the simplest form. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow, without fail, sit with your scale and notebook and pencil and everything. Tomorrow, I'll teach you number line.
Okay, ma'am.
Question 8. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbol of greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Others are writing or not writing?
I'm writing.
Okay, very good. Question number 8. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbol of greater than, smaller than, or equal to. First one. First, always you should see whether it is a negative or positive. If one is negative, another is positive, then but natural negative will be smaller than positive. So then you have to directly write, you have to put the symbol. Minus 5 by 7, and here one box is given, and the other rational number is 2 by 3. One is negative, another is positive. Minus 5 by 7 is negative. Minus 5 by 7 is negative and 2 by 3 is positive. So naturally negative will be smaller. So directly put smaller than symbol this way. Second one. In second one, both are negative. Minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. What you have to do is, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. Here both the denominators are prime numbers. So directly multiply. 5 7s are 35 will be the LCM. So first you convert into same denominator. Minus 4 by 5 into and minus 5 by 7 into. 5 7s are 35. So into 7. LCM is 35. Right, if you want write this, then it will be easy for you. 5 7s are 35, so denominator will multiply by 7. You have to convert, denominator should be our LCM. So 5 7s are 35 and 7 5s are 35. So here 7 will be multiplied by 5, so here also denominator will be 35. Now denominator you have multiplied by 7, so numerator also by 7, that is 7 by 7. So minus 28 upon 35. And here denominator is multiplied by 5, so numerator also should be multiplied by 5. That is 5 by 5. So minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. Once again, first you will find the LCM of both the denominators. LCM here prime numbers. So 5 7 is 35 will be LCM. Now this LCM will be the denominator of both the rational numbers. First rational number 35 means 5 should be multiplied by 7 to get 35. Second rational number denominator to convert into 35, denominator should be multiplied by 5. 7 5s are 35. Here we are multiplying by 7, so numerator also should be multiplied by 7. Minus 4 7s are minus 28. And here minus 5 into 5 will be minus 25. Now tell me which is greater, minus 28 or minus 25? This
Minus 28. Minus 25.
Minus 25 is greater and minus 28 is smaller or not? In negative number, always greater number is smaller. Yes, the number which looks to be greater is actually smaller. Yes or no? If you don't remember, this is the number line, minus 1, minus 2. As you move to the left, the number goes on increasing, but the value goes on decreasing. So minus 2 is smaller than minus 1. So same way, minus 28 is smaller. So here this will be smaller. Now therefore, minus 4 by 5 is smaller than minus 5 by 7. Did you understand it? Write this in your notebook. It is very important sum.